Hey guys, it's Tasha and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a FLEXI ROD set on stretched hair. Your hair doesn't have to be stretched to do it though, you can do it when it's wet, but since I stretched my hair in the last video, here we are. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. So here is my stretched hair. I'm just gonna start by sectioning my hair off so that I can easily put these FLEXI rods in. I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of water. I tried not to spray too much, but my hair reverted anyway, so it really didn't matter. But I'm gonna go in with some Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream for some moisture. And I make sure to focus it on my ends because your ends can really make or break your style. So make sure to hit those ends for real. And then I'm going in with some coconut oil because my hair loves this stuff. Just smoothing that throughout my hair. And then I'm gonna brush it out with my knockoff diamond brush to make sure it's nice and smooth. Then I go in with the orange FLEXI rod and I'm making sure to keep my hair nice and taut and really flat on the FLEXI rod so that the curl can be as smooth as possible. And then I'm just taking the top and securing it so it doesn't move around too much. And then I just keep on wrapping down the end. Once I get close to the ends, I like to take a little bit more of that leave-in and put it on the FLEXI rod in my hair and then do this kind of like doorknob turning motion so that it stays in place. And then I just flip it up to secure it, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just showing you guys this one more time, spraying that good old-fashioned water, smoothing it out, putting that leave-in conditioning repair cream in there, focusing on the ends, a little bit more coconut oil, smoothing it out with my knockoff diamond brush, and then taking that FLEXI rod, making sure my hair is nice and taut, securing the top part so it doesn't move too much, making sure it's nice and flat, and then wrap it all the way down to the ends. And then once I get close to the ends, I'm taking again a little bit more of that Cantu and doing that doorknob turning motion again. And then I go ahead and flip it up to secure it. And now I'm gonna finish the rest of my head. I ended up using about 20 FLEXI rods and I decided to sleep with them in. It was very uncomfortable, but I did it. So here I am the next morning about to take my FLEXI rods out. You want to make sure that your hair is 100% dry before you start to take these out. So luckily my hair was completely dry. So you'll just see me going in and taking out the FLEXI rods. And when I take them out, I like to twirl them to make sure that the curl is nice and defined and clumped together before I start separating. So before I start separating, I like to take a little bit more coconut oil and spread it throughout my hands so that I have as little frizz as possible. And then I'm just taking little sections from the bigger curl and twirling them in the direction that the hair curls. A couple times I went the wrong direction, so you'll see me going back over a few to make sure the curl is nice and pretty. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this and separating all throughout my hair. And yeah. So now I'm taking my pick and just picking it out a little bit at the roots. I'm not picking too much because my hair tends to get bigger as the days go on, so I'm not really looking for a real big style today. Just getting it a little bigger for a little bit of fluff, you know. But yeah, I just pick it out a little bit. You pick it out to your desire. Shake, shake, shake. And I decided that I wanted to do a half up, half down style because I didn't really like the way the front was looking because my hair is a lot shorter in the front. But you know, you can rock whatever. And I also decided to do my edges, you know, just for a sleeker look. If you want an edge tutorial, how to slay your edges, just let me know, and I'll do that too. But yeah, here is the final look. Yes, slow motion. Look at them bouncy curls, y'all. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in another one. Thanks for watching.